So in this video, I am going to show you how to refer a friend on Temu. Referring friends can help you earn free gifts and credits on Temu. To refer a friend on Temu, first open the Temu app and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the U option at the bottom of the screen. Then select Win Rewards. This will take you to the Earn Credits and Free Gifts section. From there, choose one of the available options. For example, you can select All Items Free Offer. Click on Get Gifts, then browse and select the products you want. After choosing your items, you will then be prompted to invite friends to the Temu app. Tap on Invite Friends to either copy your referral link or share it directly through WhatsApp. It is better to choose the Share on WhatsApp option for improved results. That's how you can easily refer a friend on Temu. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and also discover amazing deals on top products in my YouTube shop. Check out the description for special offers you wouldn't want to miss.